Good morning. Welcome. How can I help you?
Good morning. I would like to order a coffee, please.
Of course. What size would you like? Small, medium, or large?
I would like a medium, please.
Would you like it hot or iced?
Hot, please.
What type of coffee would you like? We have black coffee, latte, cappuccino, and Americano.
I would like a latte, please.
Would you like any sugar or milk?
One sugar, please.
No extra milk, thank you.
Is that for here or to go?
To go, please.
Your name, please.
My name is Sarah.
Thank you, Sarah. That will be $3.50, please.
Here you are.
Thank you. Your latte will be ready in a moment. Have a great day.
Thank you. You too.
Now it is your turn. Pause the video and try to answer these questions in English. What size do you want? Do you want it hot or iced? What type of coffee do you like? Write your answers in the comments below. I would love to read them. Great work today, everyone. You learned how to order coffee in English like a confident speaker. Remember to practice these phrases. The more you use them, the easier it becomes. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share with a friend who is learning English. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.